Hydro Tasmania's been in the renewable energy business for over 100 years. We generate power from both hydro power stations and wind power stations, and we sell it over the national electricity market. So we use SAP for our financial management. We use it for our HR and payroll, our learning, e-learning. We use it for projects and our asset portfolio management. We use it for plant maintenance, and we use SAP Work Manager as part of that, and that's a big part of the success story that we've had with SAP at Hydro Tasmania. We use Work Manager. The guys in the field, so our generation technicians as we call them, our tradesmen, they use the system to do routine inspections on their iPad, and they go out to the field, take readings, make observations, take videos, take any photos that might be appropriate, send that back through, so do a sync back to SAP, and that goes back through to our engineering department and our managers to make decisions.
I've been here 30 years. Brother Philip, he's been here 35. Was basically born and bred at Powhatan. Been hydro family all our lives. We go out to do our dam routines. We can put our readings, take photos, do whatever we want to do out on the job, and we can just come back, hit the button, sync it, and basically all our work's done. We don't have to sit down at the end of the day on a computer for an hour worrying about typing information in. We can do it all out on the job. It's definitely made it a lot easier, simpler.
It really helps with that decision-making process, making the information available to people from a broad base of different roles within Hydro Tasmania. For the wider business, the SAP Work Manager has shown up with data flows coming through near real time, so generally on the same day that the guys are getting the information.
So I've worked here since 1985. I find that I'm not working through lunch, and at knock-off time you can knock off. We just have our little mini iPad in your pocket or in the car, enter all your data as you go, enter your timesheet as you go, and then once you're back at the office you just hit the sync button or you go and have lunch or a cup of tea, and it uploads all your data that you've just entered.
With the SAP Work Manager, they're saving about an hour a day. That's quite a big thing. So what it means is they're spending an hour more time and effort doing the inspections that we really need them to do. That's what they're there to do. They're not there to do paperwork. A lot of our IT systems were coming to end of life, so that was one of the big reasons for us to look at an ERP solution. Different parts of the business were using different systems to try and do the same thing. So that was something we were really looking for, was the integrated nature, which we've got with SAP. So the SAP Work Manager has been a really good step forward for us in being a mobile workforce. We're looking to mobilise using other tool sets as well, so we're currently looking at SAP Fiori as a potential way to mobilise more of that work. In the electricity market there's a lot less money around than there was a couple of years ago, so we're having to look at our cost base and trying to reduce costs. So this project's, the SAP implementation, has been a big part of that for us, so it's allowed us to reduce our costs in quite a number of areas, and because the business is so much more efficient.